Unlocking the secrets of cooking phrases. Boil the vegetables. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into the kitchen, not to cook, but to uncover the meaning behind a common cooking phrase: boil the vegetables. Whether you're a language learner or a culinary enthusiast, understanding such phrases is key to mastering both English and cooking. Let's get started. Boil the vegetables might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. To boil means to cook food by submerging it in water or another liquid that is at its boiling point. The boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid turns into vapor, which is 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, for water under standard atmospheric conditions. When we say, boil the vegetables, we're instructing someone to cook the vegetables by placing them in boiling water until they're soft enough to eat but still retain their nutrients and flavor. Boiling is not just a cooking method. It's a fundamental culinary technique with a rich history. It's one of the simplest and oldest forms of cooking. Boiling vegetables is a healthy way to prepare them, as it requires no fat and can help in preserving their color, texture, and nutritional value, especially when done correctly. However, it's crucial to avoid overboiling, as it can lead to loss of nutrients and flavor. Timing is everything in this process. To ensure your boiled vegetables turn out perfect every time, follow these tips. Start with fresh vegetables. The fresher the vegetables, the better they will taste after being boiled. Cut uniformly. Make sure all pieces are about the same size for even cooking. Salt the water. Adding salt to the boiling water enhances the flavor of the vegetables. Use enough water. Ensure the vegetables are fully submerged to cook evenly. Timing is key. Different vegetables require different cooking times. Keep a close eye to prevent overcooking. The phrase, boil the vegetables, and the act of boiling itself hold different significances across cultures, reflecting on dietary habits, traditional dishes, and even historical cooking methods. For instance, in some cultures, boiling is the primary method for preparing staple dishes, while in others, it's reserved for specific ingredients or occasions. We hope this exploration of the phrase, boil the vegetables, has not only helped you understand its meaning and use in English but has also sparked an interest in the art of cooking. Remember, language learning is like cooking. It's all about experimenting, practicing, and finding the right mix of ingredients. Happy learning and cooking, everyone! See you in the next video.